Grabe to. Nakakandado yung ano nila, yung isang paa. Grabe yung conditions ng prisoners noon. Kita mo naman, super payat niya. It used to be the hell on our earth at the heart of Hanoi during the French colonization period. Dito nilalagay yung mga natulan na ng kamatayan. Yung mga American soldiers, umatan pa ng misa for Christmas, nagpre-prepare ng food. Parang happy-happy ng mga Amerikano dito. Very opposite sa mga nakita nating conditions ng Vietnamese in their own land by the French colonists. The Temple of Literature. It houses the first university in Vietnam. So, Temple of Literature, tinayo siya noong 1070. So, almost 1,000 years na siya. It's really nice to explore these kinds of places so that we'll be well-equipped with knowledge about their culture and history. And with this, we can better appreciate the country kung nasa man tayo ngayon. Hello guys! Xin chào! Here from Hanoi, Vietnam. So this is Dave and I'm the Kuripo Traveler on Facebook. And for today's video, this will be a history and cultural tour. Okay, kasi magpupunta tayo sa significant areas, significant places sa history and culture of Vietnam dito sa Hanoi. So, ang first stop natin ay itong Temple of Literature. And again, nag-grab lang tayo kanina kasi medyo malayo siya from our hotel. Mahabang lakaran. 25 minutes from our hotel. Kaya naman siyang malakad. Pero morning pa lang dapat fresh tayo. 25-minute walk para specific tayo. So, may mga pupunta tayo today na makakapagpabusog sa ating isip at puso. So, this will be the day that we should discover the history and culture of Vietnam. Because we'll be able to appreciate the country even more if we know its history, diba? The background. Nasaan sila, Claude? Yung mga souvenirs. Ayan. So, ngayon nakapila tayo dito. If mag-Vietnam kayo, you can book different activities na pinook namin dito. Iko-comment ko sa baba. And pwede nyo i-click yung links. And then you can use my promo code, Dave Gino, for 5% off. Alright? Para makatipid kayo. So, a ticket for adult cost 30,000 not pesos. Dong. So dito sa Temple of Literature, it's known because it houses the first university in Vietnam. So Temple of Literature, tinayo siya noong 1070. So almost 1,000 years na siya. May 5 courtyards dito sa Temple of Literature. Tapos yung una nating papasukan ay dadaan tayo sa Great Middle Gate. So sa taas daw ay meron dyang fish. Kasi may legend, may contest yung mga fish by a god. Sino man yung makatalon sa next wave ay magiging mighty dragon. And then that fish symbolizes students because to be able to pass exams, you never stop trying. This Temple of Literature is dedicated 2 or 4? Dedicated 2. Yeah, may mga English teachers tayo dito. Dedicated to Confucius, okay, and the scholars of Vietnam. Okay, let's go! For 4. Thank you. So dito daw, pagpasok natin, mafe-feel daw natin dito ang pagka-green. Okay, fresh and green. Ng courtyard. So nasa first courtyard pa lang tayo.
Love in.
Shucks! Hindi ko maalala.
Bumalik yung boyfriend niya. Sinundan siya sa Vietnam. I think, parang here, they were walking. But I'm not sure.
Silang dalawa ng ex niya?
Oo, yung ex niya.
Nako, a tourist guide to love.
Ayun.
Na set in Vietnam. Mukha. Oo. Okay, ito na tayo sa second courtyard.
Courtyard of Great Success. Okay, this is your courtyard.
Yes, this is our courtyard. So this one is the Courtyard of Great Success. Ay, may mga nagtutur, oh. Yan, ang cute nila. Parang lang mga students. courtyard of great success, symbolizing the beauty of knowledge and culture. So yung building ay symmetrical that represents humility, clarity, and refinement. It was built in 1805. May fish pond. Ginagawa ni Lily ng story as a writer. Yeah.
Hopefully not a corrupt government.
So is this another courtyard? Oh, may body of water dito. Well of heavenly brilliance. Yeah. It's a well. It's a big well.
Is it a tilapia?
So this courtyard houses the most important relics. Bawal daw yung criminals, musicians, and singers, and those in mourning. Grabe ka mapili yung university. Kawawa naman kaming mga singers.
As a musician.
As a musician. Diba? As a musician in the karaoke bar.
Oh, yes. As a
like,
musician, I feel offended. But I'm not.
Tapos syempre lalaki lang. Mas nakaka-offend.
So as a woman, I also feel offended.
And as a gay man, pwede kaya bakla noon dito, no?
Baka ano, hindi ka rin naman pwede kasi singer ka.
Ayaw nga. Ang daming bawal sa akin. Wala din. Hindi ako makapasok talaga dito sa Imperial University. Academy pala. Now we're entering the gate of great synthesis. Ay, ito. Nakita ko to sa picture tong nasa gitna. Kalimutan ang tawag dyan, pero usual stuff na nasa bahay ng mga Vietnamese. I think dito yung mga ceremonies ginaganap. May visualizations dito, may pictures para na-visualize natin. Ito daw yung classroom in the past. Ito yung itsura nila. Ito yung mga books, mga school supplies, Confucian examinations in Vietnam. Nabasa namin kanina, grueling months, several months nagtitake entrance examination. Natuwa ako habang nagbabasa ng history. So, before, talagang yung students, ang unang tinuturo sa kanila ng teachers nila. And by the way, teachers were really highly respected in the society talaga. As in, yung unang tinuturo sa kanila ay yung social, moral, ethical values before yung knowledge talaga. So, they give high importance, diba, sa ethics and morals ng mga estudyante. And then, rich or poor, pwede pala mag-take ng examination. Tapos, ang may pinakamatataas na scores ay ginagawaran ng titles. So, this museum daw is to emphasize the Vietnamese value in education. May pictures dito. Itong Temple of Literature from before. Mga naka-display. I'm not sure what this place is, pero may different figures tayong nakikita dito in red. Tapos may mga pagkain. Floating pictures. Daming pera dito. May cup pa. May mga pera, oh. Nagwi-wish ba sila dito? That's our first stop, the Temple of Literature. Straightforward naman siya. Dire-diretso lang talaga yung mga courtyards. How do you feel about going to the Temple of Literature?
More knowledge, more power.
More knowledge, more power. Nakahanap kami dito ng playground. Beside the Temple of Literature. Masayang masaya si Claude. Cutie. So patterned siya. May horse, footstep, bamboo forest. Ano to? Mountains? Ah, yeah. Nice. Next destination, 38,000 dong. Mura. Alright, we're almost there. So I can see Wallow. Our next destination is the prison. we've arrived here sa Walo Prison. And then 30,000 dong yung entrance dito. So this is the facade. Tara, pasok tayo. So as we all know, yung Vietnam War ay isa sa mga events sa Vietnam na known yung Vietnam. So this is a dark part of their history. They have audio guide here for 100,000 dong. Nabasa ko yung ticket. It used to be the hell on our earth at the heart of Hanoi during the French colonization period. Then it was regarded by the Vietnamese patriotic soldiers as a school in 1896 to 1954. Today it becomes an attractive destination for the peace-loving people. Because of the construction of Walo Prison, the Vietnamese and the Hanoi people lost a very important village, an ancient village for them. We can see here a miniature of the prison. The photographs of it. Public bathroom. Ito kusina. Detention room. Oh my goodness. Death cell. Inside a cell. This is the cell D. So one of the largest cells dito sa prison. And then yung nagkakasya lang talaga dito ay maximum ng 40 people. Pero there was a time na umaabot ng 100 katao, nearly 100 katao yung kinulong dito. So this is the main gate of Walo Prison. Nandito siya sa cell D. Oh my goodness, ang sahol. Pinapakain sila ng mga spoiled na rice before na may parasites na. So, many prisoners ay nagkaroon ng heart problem dahil sa pagkain sa mga rice na yun for a long time. And merong 40 prisoners na there was a time when 40 prisoners died within a month. Ang sahol. Tapos ito yung damit na sinusuot nila. In-arrest ng mga French colonists ng mga Vietnamese. Now we're in Cell E. So sinasabi dito na during the 1930s, naging strict yung regulations against building organizations within the prisoners. Diba? Pero naging persistent yung mga Vietnamese para maging mas politically aware yung mga tao. So may mga talaga demands from Vietnamese to treat the prisoners properly. Nakakandado yung nila, yung isang paa. Kawawa. This one naman is yung Cachot. So this was considered the hell of the hell. Hell of the hell. Kasi yung mga prisoners na nag-break ng rules or regulations ay dito pinapasok. And grabe yung conditions nila. Nakakasakit sila. They were put in stocks and had to eat and relieve themselves on the spot. So nagkakasakit na yung mga tao dito. Ang salimuot na dito. Grabe yung conditions ng prisoners noon. Kita mo naman, super payat niya. Oh, ito isang underground sewer, tama ba pronunciation, na ginamit ng mga Walo death sentence political prisoners para maka-escape noong December 24. Grabe. Meron pang isa. Ito naman from 1945. Kabrutalan ng mga French colonists. Grabe yung treatment sa prisoners. Ito naman, visualization ng paghukay sa underground. So this part is the detention area for female prisoners. So those were female revolutionary patriotic fighters as well who were arrested during the French colonization. At talagang lumaban sila despite their horrible conditions. they were trying so hard to awaken the political spirits of the prisoners. May bibis dito. Sasalubong sa atin dito yung guillotine na ginamit para pugutan ng ulo yung mga patriotic revolutionary Vietnamese soldiers. And then ito yung mga ginamit to torture them. Grabe. Dito tayo sa condemned cells. So dito nilalagay yung mga natulan na ng kamatayan na mga prisoners. Itsura niya dito. Itong itsura ng mga condemned cells. Dito naman ay may exhibition. After French colonization, nagkaroon naman ng Vietnam War against, Vietnam versus Americans. So in 1972, ito mas maayos na images kasi mas recent. Nagkaroon ng Ring of Fire kasi inatake yung Northern Vietnam ng mga Americans. Pero the Hanoians were well equipped, kaya they emerged victorious in that so-called the Fiery Days. Here an image of women and other Vietnamese people going to shelters kasi everywhere daw ay may bomb shelters. Ano to?
From what I skimmed.
Okay. Mas mabilis ka kasi magbasa sa akin.
Skimmed pa rin. So this part, so before di ba Vietnamese yung kinukulong. Then when the Vietnam War happened, the Americans naman yung incarcerated here. But it's saying that they treated the Americans humanely, not the way the French treated the prisoners. So, yun, and then eventually the prisoners were reunited with their families. The
Okay. That's nice, Lil. Sana binasa mo lahat tapos sinamarize mo na lang each Basta gagets ko siya. So, I stand the Vietnamese, parang happy-happy ng mga Amerikano dito.
Yeah, diba?
Very opposite sa mga nakita nating conditions ng Vietnamese in their own land. Diba? By the French colonists. Picture ng lieutenant na nagpalipad ng warplane na shut down ng Northern Vietnamese Army. So itong Walo Prison ay naging prison ng mga, this time ay American soldiers. They treated them humanely. Uy, grabe. Dito yung mga American soldiers umaattend pa ng misa for Christmas, nagpe-prepare ng food, nagde-decorate, and then nagpapakonsult sa doctor. Ibang-iba talaga yung experience nila sa mga Vietnamese prisoners. Itong dalawa naka-escape from the prison in 1945 wearing these clothes. Respect. We're about to go out and thoughts. Grabe pumasok dito sa Walo Prison kasi it's parang pumasok ka sa mismong prison while reading the descriptions, yung stories ng some prisoners. And a museum like this is important so that we'll be reminded of the past and for the past mistakes to not be repeated again, diba? And very interesting in a nutshell, the contrast. This prison showed the contrast of how the French colonial government, how they treated the Vietnamese. But when it was a time of the Vietnamese to imprison naman yung American invaders, they showed kindness and humane treatment sa American soldiers, which is possible during the war. But I hope, hello, thank you as well. But I hope hindi na maulit ang any war around the world. I think we have to end there our historical and cultural Vietnamese here in Hanoi na tour. So we entered yung Temple of Literature and the Wallow Prison. Actually, may isa pa kaming nasa itinerary, pero I feel our group is busog enough na sa nakita natin today. Especially dito sa Wallow Prison, kung saan natin nakita din yung paglaban talaga ng female revolutionaries. Yung kanilang struggle towards independence against especially the French colonial government. So it's really nice to explore these kinds of places so that we'll be well equipped with knowledge about their culture and history, and with this we can better appreciate the country na kung nasa man tayo ngayon. So this is Dave and this is the Kuripot Traveler on Facebook, and guys, comment ko sa baba yung activities na ginawa namin via Klook, tapos 5% off Dave Gino na promo code para makatipid kayo. And guys, let's live our best life. Bye-bye! Nakadalawang museum kami, tapos 3 grab from our hotel. Nasa 230 plus lang yung grab namin sa 3 grab na yon. Okay? Yung total namin. So individually, divided by 4, ayoko na mag-math, pero mura. Sa Philippines, abutin tayo nito ng 1,000 plus siguro. I love Vietnam.